Welcome YouTube viewers. Welcome to another review from Angie's List, and this time we're doing Dan Heaton Roofing of Palm City, Florida. And once again, this is an Angie's List review, and I will try to make this available on the bottom of the video where you can just click a link and download it so you can read the review yourself, or you can go on angieslist.com and read the review for yourself there. What I'm going to do is I'm going to read the review for you so you get an idea of who Dan Heaton Roofing is, and if you're looking for a roofing contractor, this might be helpful. Let me start off with the home that was in this particular project was built in 1995. These are the specs. The approximate cost of this job was $550. This is a repair job, and it was done of July of 2012, so last year. Okay, the description of the work is what I'll read first, and then the member comments. The description of the work. This service was to repair and replace a section of roof, concrete tile, at the valley over my garage. The tile was removed. The whole section of roof, down and including the rotted plywood, was replaced. The work also included new valley material and repair. This was the second time I called Dan Heaton to have repairs done. He did another repair for me, a little more involved, in 2011. I think he is fair and honest, and I think his prices are reasonable. Now, the comments that this person left afterwards, that's what this part is. I like Dan Heaton as a contractor. His company is local. He's been serving this area for a long time, and he does the work he sets out to do in a timely manner. His employees are pleasant and professional. They actually took pictures for me each step of the way with my camera so that I could see the progress. I will call Dan again when I need roof help. And once again, this is a review from Angie's List. This is not something Dan Heaton created. It's not something I created. This is a review that you can go on to Angie's List and read. And I highly recommend that if you're going to hire somebody, whether it be for your home, whether it be for your car, anything like that, go to Google and Google either Angie's List or any reviews for that particular company. Get the reviews and read the reviews. I think they're the best way to sort out who to hire. Thank you for your time, and see you in the next video.